Good morning, dear students. In this session, we are going to discuss Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. Euclid, famous mathematician. He is generally known as the father of geometry. He has also contributed some properties of numbers. Okay, one among them is division lemma. By the way, what is this lemma? Lemma means mini theorem, some small theorems, okay, based on some numbers. Okay, here, what is this Euclid's division lemma? He said, let A and B be two integers. A and B be two integers, and then there exists unique integers Q and R. They are unique integers. Let A and B be two integers, any two integers, then there exists Q and R unique integers such that A is equal to B into Q plus R. A is equal to B into Q plus R, where the 0 less than or equal to R less than modulus of B. Okay, he said that any two integers can be expressed in this form. A is equal to BQ plus R. Suppose I take this 15 and 4. Two integers, A and B, two integers, 15 and 4. So this 15 can be written as, this is A and this is B. So 15 is some 4 into something, B into Q. So I can write this is 4 into 3. You cannot write 4 into 4. 4 into 4 means it becomes 16. So 4 into 3 plus, so 4 3s are 12. So the remainder must be 3. So 4 into 3 plus 3. Here you can see this condition is satisfied. 0 less than or equal to, the remainder is 3, is less than modulus of 4. B means B is 4. Modulus of 3 is less than modulus of 4. So the remainder, from here you can understand that the remainder is always greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means it is 0 and or positive integers. So positive, and but it is less than the divisor. Always the remainder is less than the divisor. So this condition is very important. You have to note down this. Very important. This one is okay. Suppose if I give minus 15 minus 4, can these two integers be expressed in this form? A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay. So here, for example, you are trying this. Okay. Minus 15 is equal to B into Q. What is B? B is minus 4. Minus 4 into, some may say that this is minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3. So minus 4 into 3 means minus 12. You want to get minus 15. So we need another minus 3 here. So plus, we have to add a minus 3. So here when we say minus 3, this becomes the remainder. So, but here we said that this remainder is always greater than or equal to 0. But this minus 3 is less than 0. So you cannot write this way. So this is wrong. This is wrong. You cannot write this way because it contradicts this condition. 0 less than or equal to R. R is always greater than or equal to 0. That is, the remainder must be greater than or equal to 0. So here it contradicts. So how do we write? So minus 15 is equal to, I can write like this, minus 4 into minus 4. So this is minus 6, minus 4 into 4 I can write, sorry. Minus 4 into 4. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So to get minus 15, I need to add plus 1. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. Minus 16 plus 1 is minus 15. Now let's see if this condition is satisfied. So this is equal to 0 less than or equal to the remainder. What is the remainder? 1. So of course 0 is less than or equal to 1. And then this 1 is less than modulus of the divisor. What is the divisor? Minus 4. Modulus of minus 4. What is modulus of minus 4? It is plus 4. So 1 is less than 4. So the condition is satisfied now. So what is the quotient here? Here quotient is equal to 4. Remainder is equal to 1. Quotient is 4. Remainder is equal to 1. This way, okay, you have to keep in mind this condition, then you will never make mistake. Otherwise, you may write this minus 15 like this also, minus 4 into 3 plus minus 3. Okay, if you know this condition, you won't write like this. Because minus 3 is less than 0. We want remainder greater than or equal to 0. Keep this in mind, okay? And then, let's see one more example. I take minus 15 and 4. Minus 15 and plus 4. So, here, how do we write this? Minus 15 is equal to 4 into, okay, we will write minus 4. 4 into minus 4, minus 16 plus 1. Okay, now see, if the condition is satisfied, so 0 is less than or equal to the remainder. What is the remainder? 1. So this positive, 0 is less than or equal to 1, which is less than modulus of 4. Modulus of 4 is 4. So the condition is satisfied. Suppose if you write this minus 15 is equal to 4 into some minus 3. This is 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. To get minus 15, we need to add another minus 3. So this cannot be, because this minus 3 is the remainder, which is less than 0. Remainder must be greater than or equal to 0. So you cannot write like this. Okay, I hope you have understood how to express two integers, any two integers a, b, in this form. A is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than modulus of b. Understood now? This is Euclid's division lemma. Clear? Okay, thank you.